Hi, welcome back to Hilltip.
Hi guys. Well, this is an interesting product. Is it a broom that's underneath?
Yes, it is. It's the Hilltip Sweep Away rotor broom.
Wow.
Made for tractors, wheel loaders and skid steers. And we make them in the widths from 150 centimeter up to 220 US terms, 59 inch up to 86 inch.
Wow, that's cool that you can really customize the broom.
Yeah, for different vehicles, you need different widths to be versatile.
Wow, that's cool. I want to see more of the broom. Can
Let's
you show
have a
me?
look. Yeah, let's have a look at it.
Let's go. So what kinds of things do you use this broom for, Frank?
These are perfect for clearing snow on sidewalks, bike paths and hard to reach areas. And they are even better when it comes time to clean after winter is over. For clearing away snow, slush, gravel, sand and road debris.
Wow, and we want to have clean roads, especially after a long winter.
Yeah,
right,
sure
Frank?
we do. Sure we do. I mean,
Yeah. How does this work?
these brooms connect directly to the hydraulic circuit on the loader. So the hoses you connect here directly on the quick couples and you're good to go. And then it's also for the broom itself, there is multiple different hitches that we make for different brands or for the tractors, 3-point hitches. So
That sounds easy to set up.
It's
right?
very easy, straight on. For any loader on the market, we deliver a broom.
There's more than just a broom to this.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a spray striker, the liquid de-icing sprayer. It has a 65 gallon or 250 liter liquid capacity and with optional different spray bar lengths starting from 1.2 meter up to 2 meter or 2.6 up to 6.5 feet in width. In this cabinet, sealed cabinet, it's powered with a 12-volt pump with a capacity of 5 gallons.
Wow.
It's very efficient.
Yeah, it sounds very efficient.
Yeah.
It looks specifically built for these kind of loaders. How do you use this?
Yeah, this is a purpose-built liquid de-icing sprayer to spray de-icing liquids for narrow pathways and hard-to-reach areas. And it can also be applied with chemicals for non-winter applications.
Wow, that's awesome that you can use it during the non-winter months.
Yeah, and you can additionally add options like hose reel and electrical side nozzle for directional control. That's what makes Hilltip equipment unique. Year-round versatility for every job you have.
And how does the spray striker work, Frank? I don't see any hydraulic hoses here.
Well, let's check it out.
Okay, come on guys, let's go.
Chelsea, actually it doesn't need hydraulics because it's fully electric powered.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and it's coming with a smartphone with the Strike Smart app. And always, of course, Bluetooth connected to the equipment, so you don't need any wires into the cab for very easy installation.
Wow, that sounds efficient. And can it run automatic or manual mode?
Yeah, it comes with both automatic GPS control and manual, and all the H-Track and tracking control system integrated.
So Frank, why should contractors consider using compact tractors and loaders?
Year-round versatility and flexibility. And with these tools on compact tractors and loaders allows the contractors to give their client the highest level of service that is also backed up with our extensive distributor network year-round.
Thank you guys for watching. That's all from us here at Hilltip. Until next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.